Beemer uses a bridge-type frame made of tubular steel members as the foundation with a stressed engine arrangement that uses the mill to replace part of the frame structure. This lightens the frame and lowers the engine mass to keep center of gravity close to the ground. The single-side swing arm pulls double duty as a housing for the drive shaft, which is an arrangement that keeps the rear end of the running gear nice and clean, if not simple. Built for precision handling and braking rigidity, the frame shows its superbike roots. Steering head angle is set at 62.3 degrees according to the factory, but Americans will call it 27.7 degrees because reasons with 4.5 inches of trail. No matter what you call it, the steering is set up for relatively stable, straight-line travel, even at high speed, without sacrificing too much in the corners. MSRP for 2018 starts at $15,245. Last year's Lupin Blue Metallic had been replaced by Black Storm Metallic for 2018. The two-tone Frozen Brands Metallic and Black Storm Metallic colorway is available with the Style 2 package that includes a color-matched engine spoiler, gray frame, gold calipers, and the tank cover pure.